Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to improve video quality in InVideo AI and make your AI-generated videos look cleaner, clearer, and more professional. First, open InVideo AI and select the video project you want to improve. Open it in the editor and preview the complete video before making any changes. Start by checking the visuals in each scene. Look for images that appear blurry, irrelevant, low quality, or inconsistent with the rest of the project. Replace unsuitable visuals with clearer and more relevant media. Make sure every visual supports the narration and matches the topic of the scene. Next, review the video composition. Keep important subjects visible and avoid placing text or graphics over areas that viewers need to see. Now check the AI voiceover. A high-quality video should also have clear and natural narration, so choose a voice that matches your content and audience. Listen carefully to the pronunciation, speaking speed, and tempo. If any section sounds unnatural, edit the script and adjust the narration. Next, improve the on-screen text and subtitles. Make sure the text is readable, properly timed, and consistent throughout the video. Avoid